how to make Google Chrome faster in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to make your Google Chrome faster in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to update your browser. So first open up your browser. Once you open your browser, you need to simply go for the upper right, which has that three dots, and under your three dots you may have an option of settings, and under settings you may have help. So click on help, and here under help you need to go for about Google Chrome, and under your about Google Chrome, if you have any updates, so here it says your Chrome is up to date. But if you have any updates under your Google Chrome, then you need to simply go for the update, and you need to update your Google Chrome. So once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. And the next setting is you need to remove the unwanted extensions. Yes, it is highly recommended to remove unwanted extension because let me just open my extensions. So to open your extensions or to go for the extensions here, you will have extensions on the bottom left. Click on the extension and it will take you to the extensions, right? So if you have any unnecessary or unwanted extensions under your Google Chrome, then you just need to toggle that off. So if you toggle off your extension, then your Google Chrome will run smoothly. So this is the second setting which you can do to make your Google Chrome run faster. And the third thing you can do is you need to go for your apps on your Google Chrome. So I'll just remove the extensions and then you need to type apps. Once you've typed, go for the search or search for that, and here you will have your applications, right? So what you need to do is simply right click on the application and then you need to uninstall that from your Google Chrome. So click on remove and uninstall. So if you don't need or if you don't have or if you have any unwanted application, then you just need to click on uninstall and then you need to uninstall, and once you uninstall, your problem will be fixed. And the next thing you can do is you can again go for the three dots which is on the upper right, go for the settings, and under your settings here you may see in advanced settings. So under your settings you need to go for the system, and under system here you may have an option of use hardware acceleration when available. So what that means is it will use your CPU whenever it is available. So it will also load your page very fast. So you just need to turn that setting on. So if you have that, simply turn that setting on, and once you turn on, your problem will be fixed. And the next most important thing that you need to do is you need to go for the settings and you need to clear your browsing history. So once you're here in the settings, you need to go for clear browsing data, and under your browsing data, you need to select last hour or last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. You can choose anything that you're comfortable with. And then you need to go for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached image and files. You need to click all of these and click on clear data. And once you click on clear data, your browsing history will be deleted. So these were the few fixes on how to make your Google Chrome faster. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.